241, 7 games, a homer, 8 driven in, time for third in the league in RBIs. He's been on base in 6 of the 7 in which he's played. 4 for 17, a triple, a grand slam, 6 driven in the series. First pitch to him is at the knees for a called strike. 2 Iowa win. The 0-1. Down and in. 1 ball and 1 strike. The 1-1 to Long. Swung on, skied foul off the right side. In, kind of a half-turn motion to the 1-2. Up high. 2 balls and 2 strikes. 2-2 pitch. Just missed. Maybe off the plate. In center and J.J. Bleday in right field. The payoff pitch. Line drive into left. Going back is Dunn. Reaches up to make the catch. Dunn backing. That one hit right at him as he had to back a few steps. Hit hard, but Long lines out for the second out of the inning.
That's a tougher play for Dunn than it looks because it freezes you when it's coming.
The 0-1. Swung on, hit in the air. Right side, Long, the first baseman, into foul ground near the Iowa bullpen, makes the catch for the second out of the inning. Series, solo homer in the second inning yesterday in a 1-for-4 effort. Swings of the 1-0, bouncing ball to short. Cowles to his left, fields it chest high, throws to first. That ends the inning. But the bats go 0-1. Urbaez bounces one to short. Cowles to his left to field it. Straightens up, throws to first in time. Gets the hustle. The pitch. Bouncing ball to second. Charging at Triantos. Fields flips it on to first. And that ends the inning. The bats had a run on the Dunn.
Catch on back in the first inning. Right-handed batter stands straight up. And he takes the first pitch straight and batting at 305. Looks at another strike. League postseason all-star 1 year ago, Long. Takes this one low. He's home runs. Drove in 91. Bounces this one foul off the fencing. Gone on the top of the third. Bats leading 3-1. The pitch. There's a ball sliced out into right. That is down for a hit. Over to cut it off is J.J. Bleday. Long makes the turn, but Bleday comes up with it cleanly. Gets it back in. And Jonathan Long gets his 5th hit of the series. He's on with 1 out, bringing James Triantos to the plate as the tying run in this game. He's at 423. The pitch. Check swing and a roller back to the mound. Fielded by McCacken. He gave a glance at second base and then check of the runner. The pitch. There's a blast out toward right field by Ramirez. Turning, looking, gone. Lower level of the Humana Cabana on the home run by Pedro Ramirez. His 3rd home run of the season, his 2nd of this series. It comes with Long aboard. And here in the top of the 3rd, we are even at 3-3. 2-run homer, Pedro Ramirez. 2nd home run by Iowa in this game. 14th of the series. He gets Jonathan Long, bases loaded, nobody out, a run home. Iowa has regained the lead here in the 4th at 5-4. Long had a base hit his last time and scored on a home run by Ramirez. Here's the 1-0 pitch. Outside corner. Runners lead at every base. The 1-1. Misses inside. Here's the pitch. Right down the heart of the plate. A strike call. 2-0. Here's the pitch. And a bouncing ball to the right side is going to make it by Urbaez and into right field. 1 run will score. 2nd run comes to the plate. Throw goes over to 3rd as a runner from first. Dean turned the corner sharply at 2nd. He gets over to the corner at 3rd. 2-run single into right by Jonathan Long. Plate. Richardson from the belt to the plate. And a hard ground ball to the shortstop. Oh, it tied up. Arroyo was moving to his right in the ball. The thing was hit so sharply, it kind of does get an RBI. Here's a ground ball to the second baseman. Urbaez has it to Arroyo at 2nd out. Back to first, not in time. .com and sign him up. Runner going from first and a ground ball to 3rd. Handled by CES. He comes home. Runner broke toward the plate. The throw goes to the dish and Higgins, he puts the tag on Jonathan Long.
A run, 2 hits and a strikeout. Righty against righty. Here's Jonathan Long. First pitch outside, ball 1. Longer Horton than any other builder. Move-in ready home sites are available throughout Kentucky and southern Indiana. 2-0 inside, 3-0 on long. 4:05 in Columbus. The Clippers host the Indianapolis Indians. There's a strike. Sugarland. 3-1. Low and outside. Ball 4. That's just the second walk allowed by Bats pitching on the day. 1 on with 1 out for James Triantos. 1 for 3 with an RBI. 6:45 in Durham. The 3 with an RBI. The 0-1. Bounce softly to third. Ramirez charges, fields it on the first hop, throws on the run to first in time. Nice play by Pedro Ramirez, able to track it down in the first half, charging in. If it had hit a second time, done